Have you ever spent an hour generating AI videos only to get a result that looks nothing what you imagined? Character change, scene don't match, and you end up with wasting both time and credit. Well, what if you could plan your entire AI video before generating a single frame? Today, I'm testing Topview AI Canvas, the world's first storyboard-first AI video creation tool. This tool lets you brainstorm ideas, build storyboard on the infinite canvas, and then turn everything into complete AI video with just one click. Can it actually make AI video creation faster and more professional? Let's find out. Alright guys, so now let me just come up here on this Topview AI website. So now let me just come up here on this Canva guys, okay? Or you can just click here on this Canva and then you see how this window looks like, okay? Then let me just click here on this start creating because guys, I just want to create my own project. So here guys, there is some prompt which am I going to use, okay? It's about the younger aspiring filmmakers. So guys, and then I just want to paste this prompt here and then guys, and I'm going to use this Cloud Sonnet 4.6, okay? This is the best quality, okay? And click here on this start generating. So guys, here it will took me like a few minutes to generate all my script guys, okay? And this Cloud Sonnet 4.6 is going to generate my idea into a full story. So guys, now you see how it looks like. Film, wolf, okay? Now I can click okay if my clip, it is good, okay? So now let me just type okay. And then also guys, it's going to generate another details about my story ideas, guys, okay? So, and then also guys, they give me another message. Looks like right to look for this story, say okay, okay? So and then when I press okay guys, now it is going to generate the environment, object, the characters, and more guys, okay? So now here guys, you see first they give me like a style, how the movie will be looks like, okay? So here you see how this movie will be looks like, okay? So it is, yeah, looks so cinematic guys, okay? Hybrid cinematic realism style drawing from Wong, this and that, okay? And then, so or if you just want, you can just re-edit your style if you don't like. You choose this ChatGPT image 2.2, okay? The quality is the 1K, and then the landscape or the resolution is 16:9, and then you can generate guys, okay? So if you don't like that style guys, you can do another style you want guys. So okay, here let me see what another style you're going to give me. You see guys how it looks like, okay? This is also good. It's the same like once guys, okay? And then so after that it's time to generate like an environment, some locations, some characters. You see guys, okay, let me just type this well, okay? Now it is going to generate the environment, CDC, EDC guys, okay? So when they give you some message about saying okay, if you like it, you click okay guys. Now you see the second one, it is the characters. You see guys, okay? The name is micro, okay? And then here there is some environment, here there is some object, okay? You see how it looks like, okay? So here I have to wait just a few minutes, okay? Now you see guys, the object, the camera, the character will be used, the environment, it is in the city, the macro, bedroom, studio, okay? Everything is all, okay? So now you see all the set, it is available. So now it is time to create the story, okay? All the scene, okay? To arrange the scene, how the scene will be going, okay? So everything looks good. Just say the word and then we move into the scene script to preview, okay? So now guys, let me just type this, move into the scene script preview, okay? Then now let me click generate guys, okay? So here guys, and I have to wait like a few seconds too, okay? Because it's going to generate the scene, how the video will be going. So guys, those are all the scenes, okay? So, and what I got, it is 6 sequence, 16 shots, and 90 seconds. Say okay to create all the scene cards or tell me what to, okay? So guys, for me, every scene, it is good. Now I press okay. So let me generate. Now you see guys, hey, this Topview Canvas, this is a game changer, all right? So, and then let me just wait a few little bit, okay? Now you see I got some scenes here, guys, okay? So here I try to arrange the scenes on the line. Here I have a scene 1, scene 2, scene 3, scene 4, scene 5, scene 6. So, and then click on this preview storyboard, and then let me generate the storyboard first, okay? I just want to see how my video it will be looks like before I generate the video, okay? So guys, I can't wait, please, come on. Yeah, okay. So I just want to look first the storyboard. Even let me just, okay, generate the storyboard first, okay? All right, so here it is the first storyboard of my first scene. You see how it looks like. Yeah, this is a real nice, guys, okay? Yeah, wow, this movie is so cinematic, okay? I can't wait to see it, okay? And then, so when it's done, guys, I can just also generate the video, okay? So let me click on generate video, and I'm going to use the Cadence 2.0, okay? And you see all the things is settled well, okay? The character object, okay? Cadence 2.0, the resolution is 7020, the, yes, 16:9. All right, everything is cool. Now I can click on generate. So, and I have to wait how my video is gonna be, guys. This is a full movie, guys. So, and then also let me generate these all scenes, okay? I have to generate the videos of these all scenes, okay? So let me try to hurry up because I just want to see the final result, okay? All right, so the video, it is already done for generate. So now I have already downloaded these clips, and I just want to show you the final video. Just take a look.
You made me want to make something.
So guys, after testing this Topview Canvas, I can definitely see why the creators are existed about this workflow. So if you are a content creator, marketer, filmmaker, or any more interested in AI video production, guys, Topview Canvas, it is a worth. Go to check it out. And you will find the link in the description down below. You will thank me later. So guys, if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe, leave your comment down below. Let me know what you think. EDC LAC. So, and I will see you in next video. Peace.